Real deal here at Akins and Winder GA on a beautiful day, and we're bringing back the diamond of the day. Yeah, that's right, diamond of the day is coming back, and it's going to be nothing but from now on anything lifted, lowered, or anything fast. No more stock vehicles, straight up diamonds coming to you daily. So the diamond of the day today, 2017 Ram 2500 Power Wagon, Laramie Crew Cab, 4-wheel drive, AEV edition. This is the Prospector from American Expedition Vehicles. What a diamond it is. Let's talk about it a little bit. We've got a really nice 4mm thick steel bumper on the front, worn 12,000 pound winch, got a 20-inch rigid light bar, 6 rigid LED light cubes also. Of course, we got the LED headlights, HID lights also. Now the color looks black, but it's actually not. Any of you Ram connoisseurs may know this color, the black forest green pearl coat. And it's not very bright out right now, but if you can tell, it's got a really pretty dark green metallic look to it in the sun. It really sparkles and shines, looks real pretty. Also, typically on the AEV vehicles, it comes with a not very good looking wheel. They've upgraded the wheel to a fuel 20-inch. This is a 37 by 13 50/20 Nitto Trail Grappler MT. Love this tire, really good tire, like it a lot. Amp power research, power deployment running boards. I love showing it. Like butter. Up front, Power Wagon, no center console, manual 4x4 in the floor, which I really like, but you get all the goodies that come with the Laramie vehicle. The AEV switch cluster for your lights and winch and so forth, heated and cooled seats, trailer brake control, upgraded axles front and rear, got a bed cover also. This does not come with the diesel. This is a 6.4 liter, which is a very strong and stout motor in itself. So the 6.4 is no slouch. Rear bumper, LEDs also. Backup camera, of course. Love the offset on such a big and powerful truck. You can see the green a little bit wanting to stick out there also. This one here, again, 2017, 39,900 miles and change. And our internet sale price is $44,991. Really think somebody out there is looking for this truck. It's sitting pretty, and it's just set up just right. The AEV adds value to it also. Just wanted to bring you this diamond on a beautiful Monday afternoon as the sun's setting, guys. Reach out to us. You can reach out to me, or just call us at the dealership. We'd love to help you and get you even more info. Set up a time to come in and check this beast out. We just wanted to bring back real deals, diamond of the day. Hope you enjoyed it.